Welcome back to our entertainment channel where we update you with the latest happenings and trending news. To begin with, a Kikuyu wise man once said, "NDUKANARINGITHIE MURANGO UKIUMA," meaning never insult your host or boss once leaving for greener pasture. You might need them on your way back. To relate, Wangeci wa Kariuki returns to her home TV-KAMEME TV, MUTHIGI wa RURIRI. This comes a few weeks after she left the media house. It seems she was invited back with a good deal and a new show. The big question being, was Wangeci fired? Did she resign? Leave your guess answers in the comment section and remember to like the video. She broke the news to her Facebook fans and I quote, "On People Daily, make sure you get a copy. My army, AHHHH, I missed you though. Guess the show. No togo toga in Jesus' name." That's all for now. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more segments.